Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting straight into the app switcher, because that's where apps can be paused or sent to sleep. On Face ID devices, swipe up from the bottom and hold briefly. On home button phones, double-press home to reveal app cards. Once the cards appear, make sure you locate the app you want to put to sleep. You'll use a swipe gesture next. This step isolates the app so you can control its state without changing other settings. Now you'll actually stop the app from running. You swipe the app's card up and off the top of the screen to force close it. This puts the app fully to sleep and halts background tasks. If you need to handle several apps, use two-finger gestures to flick multiple cards up quickly. Be mindful. Force closing can drop unsaved work or reset temporary session data, so save anything important before you swipe. Once closed, the app won't consume CPU or network until reopened. Finish by ensuring the app stays asleep when you're not using it. Go to Settings, tap General, then Background App Refresh and turn it off for that app to prevent automatic updates. This makes sure the app won't relaunch background tasks. Once done, you'll save battery and data. If the app still appears active after force closing and disabling refresh, restart your iPhone. That clears residual processes. If problems persist, delete and reinstall the app as a final troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.